Namaste, I'm Avinash, welcoming you back on our channel Move It. We are going through the series Office Chair Mobility Hacks, and this is part 2 where we are going to cover our ankles. Seated for long duration in our offices, be it home office or office, we certainly become stiffer and shorter versions of ourselves. These movements are going to help you become more mobile. These movements cannot be substituted to intermittent walks, but they definitely are good complement to your intermittent walks, which you must take every 30-60 minutes. So let's move it. We start with warming up our ankle area a bit, and the good old tennis ball comes in handy. You can use the tennis ball around your ankle to increase the flow of blood and also release the fascia. Our first movement is ankle circles, and they are ankle circles, they are not toe circles. So keep the toe loose and try to make ankle circles. We are trying to isolate our ankle from the rest of the foot and rest of the leg. If you think that your knee is also getting involved in this movement, you may want to hold on to your knee, and then your rest of the leg will give you a good feedback telling you that only your ankle is moving. Make these circles 5 to 6 times in both the directions, and then use the other foot or other ankle to do the same. Feet flat on the ground, slide your foot back without lifting the heel, and you will feel the stretch both to the front and back of your ankle. Release. Repeat it. And then if you want to increase the intensity, lean forward with your torso without bending your back. Release, slide the foot back. Repeat for the other ankle. Third and the final movement, we take our foot back, toe down, and then put pressure. Put your whole weight onto the toe. Release. Press your toe down. Release. Again, if you want to make the stretch more intense, when you are pushing your toe, lean back in your chair and you will feel that the stretch is that much more. Release. So these are the 3 movements. You end by making circles once again. A quick recap of what we did today. We warmed our ankles up. We did ankle circles. We slid our feet back and forward, and then we pressed on our toe. You'll realize that when we are doing these movements, we are trying to isolate our ankle joint from the rest of the body. But if you remember, our body is one kinetic chain, and we cannot just think of the ankle joint. It is an integral part of our feet and our knees at least. So we have to look at it in whole, and that's what we do when we walk, run, jump, and most importantly, squat. Congratulations, we've come to the end of the ankle part. Start practicing these and you will surely see a difference in both mobility and strength of your ankle joints. I would also request you to please leave your comments and or questions in the comment section below. In the meantime, eat healthy, stay hydrated, sleep well, and stay happy. Namaste.